Okay, classic book for today is this one called The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins, who usually does the illustrations and the story. Famous book. The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. "I've made some cookies for tea," said Ma. "Good," said Victoria and Sam. "We're starving." "Share them between yourselves," said Ma. "I made plenty." "That's 6 each," said Sam and Victoria. "They look as good as Grandma's," said Victoria. "They smell as good as Grandma's," said Sam. "No one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. "Come in," said Ma. "You can share the cookies." Ooh, this is becoming a math book. "That's 3 each," said Sam and Victoria. "They smell as good as your grandma," said Tom. "And look as good," said Hannah. "No one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang. I wonder how many people are going to show up today. It was Peter and his little brother. "Come in," said Ma. "You can share the cookies." They're getting a little bit less happy. They started out with 6 apiece and then it went to 3 apiece. Now let's see. "That's 2 each," said Victoria and Sam. "They look as good as your grandma's," said Peter, "and smell as good." "Nobody makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Everybody's faces are getting a little bit less happy as the people arrive. "Come in," said Ma. "You can share the cookies." "That's 1 each," said Sam and Victoria. "They smell as good as your grandma," said Joy. "And look as good," said Simon. I wonder, will there be anybody else after everybody gets 1 cookie? "No one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang. And rang. "Oh dear," said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. "Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door." "We'll wait," said Sam. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. "Nice to have so many friends to share them with," said Grandma. "It's a good thing I made a lot." "And no one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang.